Welcome to Larena,
Jhudiel Tagbilaran
Siquijor.
passengers, your loyalty means a lot to us. I'm rewarding you with Supercast 5+1 promo. Just keep your 5 tickets and exchange it for 1 free ticket of Supercast Pair Ticketing Office. Promo period is from January 1 to December 31, 2024.
Guys, dito na kami ngayon sa terminal. Bili na yung ticket namin, no? Going to Larena, Siquijor. Dito po kami sa terminal. Port terminal. Alright. Supercat St.Jhudiel. Yan. Galing siya sa Cebu. Ng Larena, Siquijor. Going to Cebu. OceanJet 388 spotted, going to Cebu po na siya, guys. OceanJet going to Cebu from Dumaguete, from Tagbilaran City to going to Cebu. Ang daking maneuver na ang OceanJet 388 going to Cebu City. Yan.
To allow their passengers to sit down. Once again, requesting all passengers to kindly place all of your bags on the floor to allow their passengers to sit down. Please give priority to senior citizens, PWD and other passengers who require special assistance for all available seats on the main floor. Alternatively,
Okay guys, ito po yung sasakyan namin, St.Jhudiel. Going to Siquijor. Ano siya ba? Gani? 4 key.
4 dito sir, right side sir.
Right side. Okay, thank you. Hindi na ko nang magkukan pa. 4K center 4L mo. Window mo sir, sakto sir. L K mo go. Ya. K. Alright guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng Supercat going to Larena, Siquijor. Galing sa Tagbilaran to Larena, Siquijor. Okay, ang departure is 3 p.m. So, ang dating doon, I think, lang yan, travel time is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Alright. Alright guys, ang dating maneuver na kami. Going to Larena, Siquijor. Right. Bye for now, Tagbilaran City.
afternoon, travel passengers. The management and staff of Supercut Fast Ferry Corporation welcome you on board St.Jhudiel bound for Larena, Siquijor. In command of these vessels, Captain Alfredo Zato Jr., assisted by Chief Officer Joseph Lecos and Chief Engineer Rizal Gonzalez. If you need any assistance, please do not hesitate to call any of our cabin attendant near this field. It is our pleasure to be at service to all of you. At this point, kindly direct your attention to the screens in front of you for the prayer and safety demonstration. Thank you and enjoy the trip.
Uncertain waters. May our trip be peaceful, comfortable, and safe passage at sea. Arriving at last, where we hope to be. Welcome on board the Supercat. Please take a moment to listen to our safety demonstration. All aisles and exits should be clear. Baggage should be stowed in front of you or under your seat. Ask for assistance in locating designated seats. For people who need special assistance at sea, please do not hesitate to approach your vessel crew. Your seats. Wear your life jacket properly. The life jacket is secure. Hold life jacket in place and jump into the water. Our life jackets have whistles which you can use to call for rescue. From passengers and heads are advised to use the seatbelts for protection in the event of sudden stops or bad sea conditions.
A few moments later.
We'd like to request our passengers to please remain seated while the vessel is maneuvering for docking. Please comply for your own safety. Thank you.
Ang travel time is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Alright. Welcome to Larena,
Jhudiel Supercat
Siquijor.
passengers, your loyalty means a lot to us. And rewarding you with Supercat's 5+1 promo. Just keep your 5 tickets and exchange it for 1 free ticket at Supercat's Pair Ticketing Office. Promo period is from January 1 to December 31, 2024. Thank you.
Ayun. Yun. Nice. Yep. Yeah. Yun, dito na kami sa Larena, Siquijor. Yan. Sumakay kami ng Supercat. Travel time 1 hour and 30 minutes. Galing sa Tagbilaran City to Larena, Siquijor. Right? May fire drill pa doon, no? But guys, thank you for watching sa aming simple na vlog. BARKO vlog from Tagbilaran City to Larena, Siquijor. Alright, God bless you always. A like and a